under root 16 minus root 12, we have to find out the value. So first this root 16 means 4 minus this root 12. What can we do? We can write 4 times 3 and over root. So here is 4 minus root 4, it means 2, and here is root 3 over root. So once we face this kinds of problem, we have to follow this root 3 or under root. Look, a plus b whole square, theory is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b, we know a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here is minus, so we have to follow this theory, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Look, here is 2, so first minus 2 and root 3 is a. So what is b? B naturally 1, so times 1. Now look, 2ab, so what is a? A is a root 3 a square plus here is b square, it means 1 square. Now look, root 3 square, it means 3, right? And here is minus 2 root 3 plus 1 square means 1. Now look, 3 plus 1 is a 4, and here minus 2 root 3. This one and this one similar thing, right? And here is over root. Now we can write root 3 square minus 2 root 3 times 1 plus 1 square. So here is a root. Now what is this? This is a minus b whole square. A is a root 3 minus 1 whole square, and then root. So root and square out, our answer will be root 3 minus 1. Very simple. So if you face this kinds of problem, you can easily solve this one. Welcome to MathJip. Here is 4 Surds expression. This Surds expression 1, 2, 3, 4. So this video I am trying to solve 2 math, and next video I am also trying to solve another 2 math. So this 4 math will be solved by 2 videos. Next one, number 1 done. Number 2, root 36 minus root 20 and whole root. So this one, what can I do? Root 36, it means 6, because 36 is a perfect square. So we get 6 minus this 20, we can write, suppose 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is a 20 and 4 is a perfect square. So we can use root sign, and here is root. Now 6 minus root 2. Root 4, it means 2, and here is root 5, then whole root. Now similar thing, here is we made a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is a minus b whole square. Similar we can do in here. So this is minus 2ab, minus 2a and b. Once we multiply this one, we will get 2 root 5. So we need a square means root 5 square, and plus 1 square is a b square. Now look, root 5 square is a 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is a 6. So we can segregate this one, 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 and over root. Now look, root 5 square is a square minus 2ab, 2a is a root 5 times b is a 1 plus 1 square, then root. Okay. Now look, a square minus 2ab plus b square, so this is a minus b whole square, root 5 minus 1 whole square, and here is a root. Now this root and this square out, our answer will be root 5 minus 1. Very simple. Okay, so I am trying to solve two math based on these Surds expressions 1 and 2 done. Next video we will see number 3 and 4. Till then, keep practice and don't forget subscribe my channel Math Jeep. Thank you.